fire. I'm gonna beat the pit crew there. This shit too slow.
He down there looking at the fire. He with the drone.
Yeah.
He way down there. He's on vibes.
Yeah, I'm trying to put the light on it.
He got that drone on his head.
Yo, dude, right on top of it.
Damn, they steady spraying. It's over with.
It burned the whole bike up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Burned the bike up. Yeah. He on the drone. You can see it. He on the drone.
Make sure y'all subscribe to Lookout Racing. Look out, look out. Make sure y'all subscribe to Lookout Racing. What is he spraying? He started spraying. I think he ain't had nothing to do all day, y'all. I know he ain't still seeing no fire. He's still spraying. I told y'all that tune-up was too hot. It was so hot it done caught on fire. It was working though. I ain't gonna lie, it was working. It was just too hot. He had that timing up too hot, man. You need to holler at Chris Moore, man. Get you a computer tune. Let them turn your timing down, brother. Your shit running, yeah, you got the right parts. You just got the wrong tune. So, we're gonna get you handled and situated, man. We're gonna get you situated. Let me get this drone back over here. What are you running for? Wait a minute, what are you running for? Right side with the red light, left side with the wind. I'm trying to get this last race. Yes, sir. Here we go. A chance to win $90K. And it was no full pass. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.